Welcome to DONELines training. Today, we're going to be talking about transaction templates and your DONELines agent account. We are starting on the home page. However, you can access these transaction templates anywhere within DONELines. To get started, simply click on Templates found in the top menu on the right-hand side. Then click Transaction Templates. Here, you'll find all of your transaction templates within your DONELines account. Every DONELines account will automatically start with 4 transaction templates, including buyer and seller pre-1978, which will include deadlines related to the lead-based paint, and buyer and seller post-1978, which will exclude deadlines related to lead-based paint. On the left-hand side, you'll find your full template transaction templates. On the right-hand side, you'll find your phase templates, which include listing deadlines, which will include your exclusive right to sell and related disclosures that you would like executed prior to listing a transaction. Under contract, which will include all of your deadlines related to the transaction once you are under contract. And finally, your closing deadlines to ensure that you get a complete package after your closing. In order to create a custom template, you have the option of using the Create New Transaction template in the top, or start with an existing transaction template. To start with an existing transaction template, simply click on the Duplicate menu next to the transaction you would like to duplicate. One of the first things you'll want to do when creating your new transaction template is make sure you name your transaction template. To the right of the template name, you have the transaction type, buyer or seller, and the status. Be sure to check active. Below that, you're able to put a template description. And then you can hit save. If you hit complete, it'll take you back out to the parent transaction template page. If you need to add a deadline, you have 2 options to do so. In each phase, adding at the top will add a new deadline at the very top of your deadline list. And then using the add deadline option next to any existing deadline will add it directly below the existing deadline. To the right of your deadline title, you have your settings for your daily deadline notification email. If you click Client and you turn on the client notification email when creating a property, they will receive the notification email for that deadline. If you leave it as just myself, you will be the only one that receives that deadline notification email. Again, these daily deadline notification emails will contain deadlines due today, due tomorrow, and overdue. If you would like to rearrange any existing deadline, simply grab to the left of the deadline title and drag deadline to its new location. To add the new deadline phase, specific phase to your phase templates, simply click on Copy to Template Phase in the existing phase that you would like copied over. Be sure to make sure the title is what you would like and hit Create. Examples of deadlines you may need to add will include office-specific disclosures in both listing and under contract phase. This will ensure that you remember to get these disclosures signed and to your office for compliance. Other great examples of deadlines you can add can include receiving commission check if you're not going to be present at closing or if they're doing a mail out. This ensures that you get that check in a timely manner. Once you are completely satisfied with your new template, simply hit Complete. You can see here's our new buyer template that we just created and the phase that we added while we were in there. It is really that simple to manage your transaction templates within your DONELines agent account. Make sure to watch other training videos to learn how to create a property, edit under contract next step and closing day emails, and to ensure you're getting the most out of your DONELines subscription. Thank you, and let us know how we can help.